In the next 8 minutes, the world as you know it will end. Not with a bang, but with a prompt. Meet Alex, a guy who did everything right. He went to college, got this safe job, and waited for the promotion that never came. Instead, he got an email. Departmental restructuring. Translation: you've been replaced by 40 lines of Python code. But while others complained on LinkedIn, Alex decided to do something dangerous. He decided to fight fire with fire. He didn't just want a job, he wanted an empire. And he was going to build it with a staff of 0, a budget of $500, and an army of digital ghosts. This is the blueprint of the first AI solopreneur. The first rule of the new wealth? Speed is the only currency. Alex didn't spend months brainstorming. He used GPT-4o to analyze 1,000 failing SaaS products. He found a gap. Small businesses were drowning in customer emails. He didn't hire developers. He used Cursor and Claude to build a Micro-SaaS, a specialized AI agent that handles boring tasks better than a human ever could. In 48 hours, Echo Agent V1 was born. But a product without eyes is a grave. Alex needed a face. He used HeyGen to create a digital avatar, a charismatic, non-existent spokesperson named Leo. Leo spoke 10 languages, worked 24/7, and never asked for a paycheck. Within 30 days, the Ghost Factory was printing $10,000 a month. But Alex wasn't satisfied. $10,000 is a lifestyle. $10 million is a legacy. Success has a shadow. As Echo Agent scaled, the giants woke up. Competitors tried to copy his code. Servers crashed. Alex faced the founder's wall. For 72 hours, he didn't sleep. He wasn't just a founder anymore. He was a general commanding a fleet of algorithms. He realized he couldn't just sell a tool, he had to sell a system. He used AI to automate his marketing, his cold calls, and even his legal contracts. He built a recursive growth loop. Every dollar earned was automatically reinvested by a trading bot he'd tweaked for months. People in his old office were still arguing about the dangers of AI in the break room. Meanwhile, Alex was acquiring the very companies that had fired him. The irony? It wasn't even personal. It was just efficient. Month 24. A private equity firm from New York sends an LOI, letter of intent. The valuation? 8 figures. $10.2 million. The catch? They wanted to meet the team. Alex sat in the boardroom alone. Across from him, 10 suits in $3,000 blazers. "Where is your CTO?" they asked. "Where are your 50 engineers?" Alex slid a single USB drive across the table. "You're looking at them," he said. "My CTO is an LLM. My marketing team is a neural network. And my profit margins? They are 98%. Alex didn't win because he was a genius. He won because he stopped playing by the rules of 1995. The $10 million wasn't the prize. The freedom was. The question isn't whether AI will take your job. The question is, will you be the one who gets replaced or the one who builds the replacement? The tools are ready. The ghosts are waiting for your command. What are you going to build today?